Great. Yeah. Hi, my name is Leon. I'm from Shenzhen Muxwave Technology Co. Limited. And here is our big spring, our Series F. This is 4 meters height by 7.5 meters width. And let's get closer to have a look at this spring.
Well, it's very big.
This is our full screen products. So you can see that all the products, it is covered with LED. And it is only about 6 kilograms per square meter, and the weight thickness of it is only about 1 centimeter of the LED module. And we have only top power input, so the power and signal will come through here from the top to the bottom. And here we can see our outdoor screen. This is IP65 waterproof, and it is using glue on-board technology. So this one we will have it for the outdoor use.
Nice. Let's go behind here. So, in the last year, do you have many customers?
Great. Yeah.
Did you have?
This one,
have many? Yeah.
Our floor standing poster, we call it P32, and this one set is 1 meter width by 2 meter height, but we can connect them together to make it bigger. Like this one screen, this one is 5 meters width by 1 meter height to connect it larger, our screen. And
Nice.
it is with glass, so with the module, they are attached on the glass. And this one is the case for the transportation, which we can put the screen inside this case.
How many screens can be inside?
Yeah.
Each case is one screen?
This one for the transportation.
Only one inside?
Yeah, one case, one set. Yeah.
One set, like the whole?
Yeah.
This screen fits inside here? The whole, or just one of them?
One case only for one set. One set, 1 meter by 2 meter.
Nice. This is really cool.
Yeah.
What is the engine? How do you run it? What is the engine? The
Engine. Yeah,
CPU?
yeah. We have the controller here. It's not in this one. Maybe in this one. We will have the controller to. I think that.
Just one controller is enough for all of them?
Yeah, one controller. We use the LED system controller. It will be for for the video input. You can control the screen by your mobile phone or maybe some other, like your laptop. You can upload any videos you want by the LED controller. Yeah.
What is this?
This one is just a small demo. We use it for advertising, you know. It's a small demo screen. This one is like 20 centimeters and by 10 centimeters for advertising using.
So everything you do is transparent?
Yeah, correct.
And do you have many customers who use this? Is this very popular already?
Yeah, this is very popular across the whole world, yeah.
So many partners make cool projects with this.
Yeah, correct. We have
like last year, I think I went to the Lang booth.
Yeah,
and it looked like maybe they were using your technology. Is possible?
Yes, correct. This year, last year they used our screen on the acrylic and the curved acrylic, but you know, in 2026 they
use something else. This is so big.
Yeah. In 2026, they use our screen on the top as a round shape for our R6.
The round shape is yours? Wow.
Yeah, that's our screen.
Is it similar to, is it transparency?
Yes, similar to like this, yeah.
So can you name some cool projects that use this? I imagine in China must be some really cool project, right?
Yeah, yeah. In China, we make a ball shape in a train station.
Oh, where?
Yeah, and in some other projects in China, for the facade, building facade, and for some other using. Yeah.
And in Europe?
In Europe, I think the biggest one is the door for the Villa de Barcelona in the south entrance. The screen there,
Wow.
yeah. Do you
So the
see
Philharmonic
show?
in Barcelona has this.
Yeah, in the south entrance, the screen is ours. Yeah.
Nice. People talking, they want to do many, many more projects.
Yeah.
Are you busy?
Yeah, many customers, they come to our booth. Yeah, many people here clouding. Yeah, they love our products and they want to use our products for many uses, like advertising and for in the shop window, or maybe like the big building facade. Our products can be used in many situations. Yeah.
In all weather.
Yeah.
And did the price come down since last year?
Yeah.
Was expensive or not so much?
Yeah. Of course, we will give them the price will be a better price. Yeah, comparing with last year.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.